Welcome to watch the delivery process of EPCB boiler. In this busy workshop, we are building a remarkable energy product, a gas boiler. This is the product we are proud of, gas boiler. Its characteristics of high efficiency, safety and environmental protection make it unique in this energy field. EPCB gas boiler adopts a 3-pass fire tube structure, which can make full use of fuel, ensure efficient and stable production, and reduce energy costs. Efficient energy utilization, excellent performance, environmental protection, safety, easy maintenance, and variety and customization options. These features make it one of the popular choices in the heating and hot water equipment market. EPCB pays great attention to the packaging details of boilers to ensure that the boilers will remain intact during transportation and delivery, reducing the risk of damage. This helps ensure that customers receive a high-quality and damage-free product when receiving their boiler. Now, the boiler system is about to be packed and ready to be shipped to its destination. Our logistics team is responsible for the safe delivery of boilers to customers around the world. In this way, our gas boiler, with our wisdom and efforts, went to the place where it was needed, bringing warmth and strength. If you are interested in our products or services, please feel free to contact us and we will serve you wholeheartedly.